What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video in our YouTube channel of Pandemic Motorsports. Me and the rest of the crew, we want to thank you guys so far for the subscribers that we have. I think we have hit 47. It's not a lot, but still, that's 47. That's something better than nothing. At least to me, and I hope I speak from the rest of the guys. We truly appreciate the little amount of subscribers that we have, but because we got to start from the bottom and we're gonna work our way up, so we truly appreciate if you guys have liked, subscribe, or even comment on one of our videos. We truly appreciate it, and we try to keep the content flowing, at least two videos every week, just to have something to post. I know this following week we are going to be doing a lot of work, so expect a lot of videos, some better than others, or more entertaining than others. At least for this video, most likely it's not going to be too much on the TSX. The only thing I'm doing is, as you guys saw, I went to Costco, got a new battery to have the TSX ready to go, because we are officially on the countdown for Laguna Seca, which is coming up this Sunday. So hopefully everything goes good. But yeah, for the most part, you guys should be able to see the video, another video coming up where my cousin is prepping the EP3. We got some stuff that we need to finish on this car. But for this video, pretty simple. I ended up getting, if you guys can see back there, I got new door panels, which I'm psyched about, because I don't have to have an eyesore in the door panels that I'm looking at. I'll show you guys what my door panels look like. They are not amazing. That's how the car came. I did have an idea to remove this and maybe add some suede onto that, and then on the bottom do the whole I'm gonna say rice boy, but the Recaro fabric. But since I got these for a really good deal from a local guy here in San Jose for 50 bucks, so can't really be bad about that price. So I'm probably gonna just show you guys real quick the before condition of these door panels, and I'm probably gonna replace that. I already did the battery, gonna do that, and I'm debating if I should take out the whole interior in the car for that track day. My plan is to probably will remove the passenger seat, because it weighs a lot, and the rear seats. But for sure, the rear seats are coming off for track day. I'm still debating on whether I want to take the passenger seat, just in case whoever's my co-pilot or my co-driver that day to Laguna is gonna roll with me, and I still don't know who it's gonna be. But for the most part, sorry, camera's shaky. But for the most part, I'm not 100% sure on the passenger seat, or I might just take out the passenger seat at the event and put it aside and run like that. That way my passenger can roll with me. But I will have to figure out something else, because the passenger seat is what's holding the camera rig. So I kind of rather have footage for you guys to watch. But yeah, but for the most part, like I said, thank you guys for all the support. And hopefully if we get to 100 subscribers, which is not a big milestone, then we'll have something posted for you guys in the form of a giveaway. It could be a shirt, because we do have some shirts, hoodies. Usually you guys see me wear it, but today I'm not wearing all Pandemic Motorsports gear. But yeah, maybe a shirt, a hoodie, or something like that. We'll give it away for sure. We got stickers, so we'll give away stickers or whatnot once we hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, hopefully we can get that milestone real soon and keep moving up from there. But yeah, once again, thank you guys, and let's get going with this real quick video. what up guys, that's pretty much it for the video on what we're doing on the TSX today. I'm sorry if I'm looking weird because I'm using my phone, so I'm looking at the screen, the camera's right here, but no biggie. But yeah, for you guys saw, for me, the door panels that I had were pretty messed up, so at least I like the fact that I don't have to look at that anymore. Usually I see it from out the window and it always bugged me. So for paying $50, I kind of got to upgrade the whole interior, which is a big plus for me. But yeah, for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. Didn't take that long. It probably took me longer just because I'm recording, trying to get as much footage. I know the video might be a little bit long, but I try to keep them short, at least under 10 minutes. If I can make them less, even better. But I know I'm talking a lot, so it makes the video go by a little bit longer. But for the most part, yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Can't really say much. Again, thank you guys for everybody that's checking out the video. Probably gonna go on a first drive right now. I gotta go help out my cousin, because it's his turn to do a lot more prepping on his car than it is on mine. Mine is pretty much still all good to go, just rechecked everything. I haven't driven this car on the slipstreams, but as you guys saw, the fitment from the caliper to the spoke on the wheel is super close, so I'm actually kind of scared to drive it, because I don't want it to rub and have an issue right before track day. But I might drive it right now because I do need to clean it from the inside because it's been dirty as hell. But yeah, for the most part, we are running out of daylight, so thankfully I do have a little bit of sunlight, or a little bit of light, to end this video off. So for that, thank you guys once again. Stay tuned for a lot more videos to come, and we'll check you guys out, especially on Sunday at Laguna Seca. Be ready for that.